Today, this is what we're working on. 125, put the wheels back on the bead, all the way around. Plenty dirt, lime, algae buildup, carburetor full service. First thing first, power wash, no bad juju. Tires up and going. I'm seeing air bubbles, and this is no good. So we know the stem is bad on the front left. And we coming somewhere. Back with this one. So we get ready to pull the gas tank off. See, we got trash in there. Pull the carb off. New battery. New line for the pin cock. Carb, new gas, new oil. Wheels are still pumped. Let's go. Let's see how that all looks. Not too bad. Still gonna do an oil change. Hit it with some of that, then we'll do an oil change. So now that we got the gas tank removed, let's see what we get. Can't have that in the bike. Pincock, dry ride it. Put a new pincock and we almost there. Time for a new pincock. Look at that, just sitting in the bottom of your gas. New carb. Time to pull off the old. All the old gas out the other carb. New carbs in. Time to get rid of that old one. Still got back rotor gas from that. Put our new battery in. We're still waiting on our pincock. Put our tank back on and let's ride. New carbs installed, all hooked up. Get ready to remove the old battery. Put in a new one. Put the gas tank on, pincock. Let's fire it up. Carbs in, old batteries out, new batteries in. All we gotta do is just drop the gas tank. Finally came in now. New pincock's in, old one just in pieces. So we're gonna install it in the tank and get ready for the morning. Old one, look at that filter. New one's going in. Nice and installed. Let's go. That's right. It's time to install it. Get this thing going. Gas tank installed. Time to put some gas in there and fire it up. Fresh gas in it. Let's go. First crank. Getting somewhere. Quick little ride. What's up? Time for the oil change. Time to get rid of the old oil. All that. New oil's in. Hey neighbors, everybody riding out here. More gas. There you go. There you go. There you go. Another set of front customer. Too much fun. They didn't put no more gas in it since I put some in it. We're gonna get it back going. Hey, how you doing? We gotta get back on the job. What's going on here? What's going on here?
It started coming out from somewhere up here and from the bottom.
The
The
gas?
Yeah, the gas as soon as I put it in.
You got some wheels?
Dude wants me to buy the car, the gas, and carry the damn thing.
Hey, you gotta be able to stand on the inside. Don't wear off with another one.